and many tourists come and visit it to see this volcanic eruption. It is fascinating for some tourists. As you see, how do human activities affect the volcanic regions? Many tourists find volcanoes fascinating and they want to see and visit there. But it can be dangerous for them. These ash and gas clouds can be, as you see, harmful for them, or they can be damaged by this lava if they come near it. And let's open, there is a fill in the blanks word bank. I don't know which page, but it must be nearly 90. Can you find it, please? After 88. Mariam, did you find?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's answer together. Wait a minute. What answers on it? Let's turn back. Okay. I wrote the answers on it. Okay, look here. As you see, volcanoes form very dramatic landscapes, and this attracts tourists. Tourists want to see, And volcanoes erupt when pressure in the magma. Magma chamber. It is hot liquid rocks. We mentioned about them, isn't it? And what will happen? Magma is very hot liquid rock, and volcanoes classified into three. One of them active. What is active volcano? What do you think? We didn't mention about them. Let's mention. What is active volcano? What is dormant volcano or extinct volcano? What are the differences between them? Let's compare them. You, sir? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can see the answers.
Okay, I'm listening.
Yes, I can see the answers.
You can see the answers. Yes, I wrote them for you. But now another question for you. What is active volcano? What is dormant volcano? Can you compare them? In the first one, let's open one more time. Okay, these are the types of volcanoes. Now I'm asking, can you compare them? What is active volcano? What is dormant volcano? Do you know it?
Yeah.
Who can answer? Active volcano can send lava, release ash and gas clouds. It is active, working. But dormant, waiting. It means it has lava. It means there is magma.
Still not active.
There is magma chamber waiting. It means no eruption. But active volcano erupting. What about the extinct volcano? What do you think? What is extinct volcano?
It means that the lava is still inside.
Yes, it means it's not working for a long time. Stay there, but no magma chamber. It won't work. It means it won't send ash and gas clouds or lava. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is the answers. You can write them. Let's continue. After volcano, our next topic is the rivers and human impact on rivers. Okay, what do you know about rivers? Human use rivers for what? What do you think? Why rivers important for human being? What do you think?
Because they can drink from it.
Yes.
Water for the plants and animals.
It is true. Drinking water, or as you know, they are using them let's see, wait a minute, I'll show. Sorry. Wait. Okay. As you see, they are using them for plants, irritating, you know. They are using it for drinking, or also they are using it for rafting. In your book, you can see how we affect our world. This is the general topic, and human activities on rivers. As you see in this picture, they are doing rafting. Rafting
Yeah.
is sport, and rivers can be in different shapes and in different size. Some rivers wide, some rivers slow moving, some of them narrow and fast flowing, and some of them can be very long. And do you know what are the names of three longest rivers in the world? This is also a question in your book. These are the answers. There are three different longest rivers. The best known one, Nile River. Nile River, and it will continue. But you can remember Nile and Amazon, they are famous, as you know. Okay, human use rivers for irrigation. Irrigation, you know, for plants and for human. We can say in agriculture, they are using water for irrigation, give water to plants. And also for human and animals, we are drinking water from rivers. We are using for transportation or for sports like rafting. How humans give harm to these rivers? They are useful for human, but there are human impacts on rivers. Let's look at how human activities can impact on a river and its habitat.
Can I answer?
Let's look at this picture, and what do you think?
Human infect the rivers by throwing rubbish inside it or by bad water, like with factories' water.
Yes, you are right. As you see, cause water pollution by rubbish or by factories. Rivers very useful for us. If we cause water pollution, it will give harm to ourselves. You know, it is harmful for us. Thank you. Okay, now this is also from your book. I didn't write the answers. You will find. Let's find it from your book and let's start. Let's answer together. Okay. You see the human impact on rivers. We will match them. There are some numbers till 5 and letters till E. We will match them. What's the first picture? Which letter?
C.
The first will be C. If human fish more, yes, by fishing will be fewer fish in rivers. Thank you. And what about the second one?
Noise pollution.
Yes, Mariam.
Noise
Second one, which
pollution.
letter? I couldn't hear.
Noise pollution, B.
Yes, noise pollution. You know, it can cause noise and cause noise pollution. True. And now, user, what about my pronunciation? How I'll read your name? User? User?
Yes.
Okay. How I'll say your name? Is it true?
Yes.
Okay. Can you answer the third one? What's the third one? Which letter?
Eating the rubbish and become
Yes, you are right. Third one will be E. Creatures eat the rubbish and become ill. Thank you. And you are two in this lesson, in this class. Now, Mariam, your turn.
Yes, okay.
What is the fourth picture?
D.
Fourth picture will be
Uh,
A. What is it? This is a dam. Dam change the ways the river flows. They are using them to electricity or for energy production, you know. When they built this dam, change the ways of rivers, the ways the river flows. Four will be A. And the fifth one, the last one, you sir? You sir?
yes,
What's the last one?
damaged plant on the river banks.
Wonderful. As you see, these animals eat the plants and damage the plants on the riverbanks. Thank you. Okay, now let's repeat one more time. The first one, C. The second one, B. And the third one, E. The fourth one, A. And the fifth one, D. We did this exercise together. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, there is true false questions. Humans use rivers for many different activities. It is true. Which activities? Let's mention irrigation. It means give water to plants in agriculture,
yes.
or for drinking water, or for sports like rafting or transportation, we said.
And
And
swimming.
now the second one. Humans use dams to create energy. Is it true or false?
False.
What is dam? Do you know?
False.
Look here, I'll show what's dam to you. Look, is the fourth picture. This is dam.
False.
And they use these dams to create energy or not? It is
It's
true,
false.
quite true. They are using dams to produce electricity, electric energy. Because of them, it is true. Dam, in the fourth picture, let's see. What are they doing? They are producing electricity. Electricity, a type of energy. It is true. Now the third one.
Okay.
Chemicals from factories can harm habitats near rivers.
True.
Yes, it is true. You know, if factories don't use filters, these chemicals or bad things will go to rivers and will give harm to habitats. Okay, the last one. The Amazon is the world's longest river. Is it true or false?
True.
False.
It is false because the longest one, Nile, the second, they are the famous one, but the longest one is the Nile. Let's remember, let's turn back and see. Nile, 6,650 kilometers, but Amazon 6,575. As you see, the longest one, Nile, and the second one, Amazon. Because any question? Okay, thank you for attention. In this lesson, we mentioned about volcano and the rivers. Let's do a small repeating. Yes,
Okay.
we said that volcano can cause eruption, can send ash and gas clouds, and it can be dangerous. When lava go outside, can damage everything around them. And this is the lava, and it is the ash and gas clouds, as you see. And in this picture you see the biggest volcano. It is located in Hawaii. It is Mauna Loa. And we mentioned about rivers. Rivers used for irrigation, for planting, for drinking water, for transportation, or for sports like rafting. And we mentioned that unfortunately human being cause water by factories or by sending rubbish in rivers. Okay. Thanks for your attention. Today our topic finished. I hope next lesson your friends also will come. See you next lesson. Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.